Teachers have it tough, especially if their students are superheroes. Oh, that amazing feeling when you save the world again! Whoops! I think I'm late for class. Being Superman is great and all, but you can't forget about school. Where were you? The exam ended a long time ago. Did you even study? I was busy saving the world. I will definitely study, Professor. Well, no, we don't give superheroes special privileges. I'm giving you an F. The teacher won't budge. Is Superman really going to fail? Good luck! You can keep saving the world or whatever you were doing instead of studying. Good luck! Nah, nah, nah! Oh man, my aunt will kill me! Although, what if I try to fix my grade? It's not really working. Wait, I can use my superpowers! Just a little bit. Oops! It seems like it didn't go as planned. Ah! Call the fire department! We're burning! Hey, who's getting lit in here? Superman, are you out of your mind? This is an outrage! Ahem, Professor! Well, if the grade is gone, maybe I can study and then try to pass again? Superheroes are people too. Everyone has a first love. He's so cool! What if you tell him about your feelings? But even superheroes get broken hearts. Well, you'll have to get tricky. A makeover is always a good solution. Although, it's not always effective. This girl is clearly not his type. Good thing Mystique doesn't give up so easily. Attempt number 2. Maybe he likes brunettes? So far, everything seems to be going as planned. But no, she fails again. But there's a silver lining. Now it's clear what kind of girls Tyler likes. Hi, baby! What's up? Oh no! Sparks are flying between them! I'm not going to let that happen! Looks like Erica will soon have to spend some time in a closet. And don't make a sound! And Mystique can enjoy her victory! We won't tell anyone what really happened, right? There's a student in every class that's disruptive and ruins everything! Oh my gosh! There's a crazy person in the room! Help! He has a weapon! But an experienced teacher will find a way to deal with anyone. Come on! Everyone out of the room! And you stay, Joker! Wow! She's so bold! He likes girls like this! Hey! This is a chemical reagent! Be careful! Babe, I think this is destiny! And there is no point in arguing with destiny. Just need to fix your look a little. That's better. Wow, they found love in an unexpected place. And now nobody can separate them. Knowledge is power. Thor definitely knows that. I can't wait to start studying. But the small lockers are clearly trying to ruin everything. Outrageous! This is an outrage! Where do you think the God of Thunder should store his hammer? Getting a god mad is not the best idea. Why is everything so fragile? Hey, can you be careful? No, I can't. This isn't a classroom. It's some kind of dollhouse. Mr. Banksy is taking attendance. Suddenly, what is this? What about the dress code? Catwoman! This is a class, not a party. Go change immediately. Even a superhero can't argue with the teacher. And trying a different look might be fun. Wow, that's better! Plus, business formal looks good on her. White tummy, black tail. Now that looks decent. In this class, there's a student who looks at the world from a unique perspective. Spider-Man, move! I can't see anything! Actually, Spidey, sit at a desk. You are bothering everyone. There must be some humanity left in you. Oh, don't mess with Spider-Man. The consequences might be painful. Ouch! Poor Mr. Johnson! Who did this? You? You? Or maybe you? Yeah, I knew it! Spider-Man, I'm sick of your jokes! This is just the beginning. Tripping over a spider web? Looks like Spidey's in trouble. But Spider-Man never gives up. No mouth, no trouble. Hey, Mr. Johnson, nothing to say? Every school has cool guys that everyone is scared of. And they love to bully weak people. Hey, nerd, give me your lunch money now! But not everyone will put up with being bullied. It's time to put an end to it. What's going on? Don't you recognize the mask? You are so ignorant! Boom! Come on, it's me! The green-faced superhero! So, wanna play tag? Oops! This is a dead end! You wanna shoot me with papers? I'm invincible! And also, I've got a weapon! Oops! That's it, Mask! You're done! Not so fast! I'm a cartoon! Look! Do you like this performance? Even the toughest guys weren't ready for this level of insanity! Oh, wow! This performance deserves an Oscar! He's crazy! We should stay away from him! They don't talk about it in movies, but superheroes go to the bathroom too! School bathrooms are always really busy! How long does it even take? The break is about to end! The God of Thunder can't wait forever! Give me my hammer! Get away from me! Can you hear hissing too? I think someone is about to get claw marks on their hammer. Oops! That was a mistake! Cats hold grudges! Thor better not leave his shoes unattended! A lot of students like PE, but no one loves it as much as Quicksilver, especially running. Ready? What was that? Set, and it's a false start again! Go! Hey, what's the point of competing with Quicksilver? And why are all his classmates so slow? Time for a math test! Quicksilver's help would really come in handy. Hey, superhero, help us! We need to get an A on this test. How can he not help these beautiful girls? Just a minute. Professor, you better not see it. The right answers appear on the test in the blink of an eye. Whoosh! And it's all done. Hey, what was that? What? I can't believe my ears! Are all of you done with the assignments? And all the answers are correct? This is the best day of my life! You're welcome, Professor! Every class has a nerd. Miss Jones, Melissa is getting distracted again. Captain America will do anything for justice. For teachers, a student like this is a treasure. Melissa, one more warning and I'm calling your parents. For his classmates, he's a real disaster. If you let us cheat, we'll invite you to our party. But you can't bribe a real nerd. Miss Jones, Melissa is cheating. Doing the right thing feels amazing. I'm protecting our future. Thank you, Cap! Here's an A+. Your classmates can be sneaky. They know all your strengths, but they also know your weaknesses. Send a laser beam from your eyes. Oh, here it comes! Catwoman's instincts are strong. Laser? I have to catch it! Who brought a laser pointer to class? But will anyone confess? Why? That just means the show will stop. But we want to watch this forever! It's so funny! Meow! That's enough! Oops! Sorry, Professor! I don't know what came over me! Some students act like businessmen all the time. The easiest way for superheroes to start a business is to do it in school. I got your payment! Come get your phone in 5 minutes! Charging with Thor's hammer is a great idea for a business. Well, why waste a talent when you can make money off of it? Nice! I'm gonna be so rich! Did you enjoy our superhero adventures at school? Which hero would you like to study with? Tell us in the comments! Check out more interesting videos on our channel. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, click the bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends!